Hello, today I am going to show you how can resources be assigned to a task in the simplest way. So basically I have a simple project with one task and I have resources defined on view resource sheet, and you can see that I have John, Mary and developers. Be aware that John has 100% his maximum availability per this project. It means that according to his calendar, he is going to work 8 hours per day according to his calendar, which I can show you here in project. Okay, change working time, and you can see that I am showing calendar for John, work weeks, details from 8 to 12 and to noon, and from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. from Monday to Friday. Okay, so basically he's supposed to work 8 hours per day until he is not becoming over allocated. On the same time, Mary is available for working on task 50% per day until she is going to be over allocated. So that means that she should work only 4 hours per day on all tasks, or one task or multiple tasks, which means that she can work on task A, for example, 2 hours, and on task B 2 hours as well, and it makes 4 hours in total, or she can work on one task solely 4 hours. And we have developers. We have 10 developers, which means that those 10 developers, and you can see that there are 10 of them according to this 1,000, which means that they can work 80 hours per day until they are becoming over allocated, and that was explained in my generic resources video. So here once again, John 100%, Mary 50%, developers 1000%. Let's go back to task, to Gantt chart, okay, and here I can see that I have resource names. I can, for my task, here click on this arrow, and I will see that I have John, Mary and developers. Okay, let me assign all of them. And here you will see developers, John, Mary 50%. Be aware of one thing. Then, when you assign resource from here, from Gantt chart, in that case, the assigning value of maximum units will be calculating according to resource sheet. In a way, if resource has 100%, he will be assigned with 100%. If the resource had more than 100%, it will be assigned with 100%. So developers here in my Gantt chart are assigned with 100%, not 1000. Even if the availability is more than 100%, when you click here on developers, you will get them assigned according to their maximum value. If that value in resource sheet is up to 100, if it is more than 100, automatically they will be assigned with 100%. And Mary, since she has 50% availability, she is assigned with 50%. Okay, make the long story short. So, once again, I will say John's task Mary's task and developer's task. Here, I will assign John. What will Microsoft Project do? It will go to resource sheet. It will see that John has 100% maximum availability, so it will assign him with 100%. When you see here nothing, not a percentage, it means that 100% is assignment. Here, Mary, once again, you will see here that since percentage is different, it is not 100%, it's different, more or less, and in that case, it will be shown here. If it is not shown here, it means that it is 100%. So John is 100%, Mary is 50%. Why? Because when I assign Mary to a task, Microsoft Project goes here, see that Mary is available only 50%, so it means less than 100%, and it will assign her with this percentage, 50%, which can be shown, which can be seen here. And last, if I assign developers here, Microsoft Project will show developers here. Since percentage is not shown, it means that there are developers are assigned to a developer's task with 100%. How is that? When I assign them to a task, Microsoft Project goes to resource sheet. See that maximum availability is more than 100%, and it says, okay, since I have more than 100%, I will assign them with 100%. So if resource has 100 or more percentage here in maximum, it will be assigned with 100% here and here. If it has less, it will be assigned with that maximum percentage, which is less than 100%. In my case, 50%. Hope this helps. This is and one thing more. There is no way that you can here, let's say, choose John and assign him with, let's say, 50% or 70%, or developers with 120%. That's not case here. This is the simplest way how can resource be assigned in a way I just shown to you. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.